home na ako guys kasi galing ako nag part time, so I need to go train. This is the train. Yan guys. So guys, so very hot, but ngayon na pagabi na, so konti na lang. So traffic guys, yan, sobrang traffic guys. So pauwi na ako guys ngayon. Going to train. That's the train. So I coming here. Wrong way ako eh. So I coming here. So this is the KFC. Hindi na ako kumain kasi busog ako, kumain ako doon sa ko. So ayan guys. Thank you for watching guys. Bye. I'm here na guys. Rest muna guys. Galing ako sa part-time guys. Super pagod guys. Thank you for watching guys.